Hi there. Wise Old Sage here. Today let me introduce to you Solana Bird. Looks like they have really switched from dogs to birds already. I think it is a good thing. Tired of seeing all those Inu all over the place. And yes, this token is on the Solana blockchain if it isn't obvious already. They are supposed to be Solana's cutest meme. Solana Birds is a Solana-based token built to focus on birds' extinction and challenges faced around them and educating community about birds. According to research, the most critical threats facing birds is the destruction of habitat, loss of forest and other natural system into agriculture, mines and urban development which reduces potential habitat for many species. I do not have any issue with tokens supporting saving animals of any sort. I wish them the best. And I agree with them that birds are cool and friendly creatures. Except for those nasty geese that goes around chasing people. I see them doing that on YouTube every day. Tokenomics. They have a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Their token is SBD. 10% of the supply is for airdrops. 20% for liquidity. 40% has been burned initially. 15% for marketing and 10% reserved for giveaway. 5% is for the team. Note that this token is pretty new. It is currently still not listed on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. So please be careful if you are thinking of investing into this token. Their white paper has even less information than their website. I am also not seeing the full tokenomics for this token and whether they will have any transaction tax or not. For these kind of tokens, they will usually have some sort of transaction tax as reflection, burning and for charity, as they are supposed to help to prevent bird extinction. Just too new perhaps? Probably something to look at for those who likes to YOLO. I am not someone who likes to YOLO though. Investing is all about calculating risk, I believe. However, that is just me. Anyway, let's head over to their roadmap. They should be getting listed in CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko soon. And a marketing campaign. Yes, these kind of tokens do need some kind of marketing to get noticed. Even though they are on the Solana blockchain, it is still a very competitive market for meme tokens out there. Very competitive. Looks like they will airdrop NFTs for top holders and do manual token burns each quarter? How much of the tokens will be burned? Not sure. And as they have this giveaway wallet, I wonder what they will make use of this wallet for? Should be someone in Q4 of 2022 though. Their AMM swap should be ready in Q3 of 2022. Anyway, this is on the Solana blockchain, so if you are interested in getting the tokens, you will need to get an SPL wallet and send some USDC to that wallet address. Again, this needs to be on the Solana network. I head over to Radium and do the swap for SBD. There should be plenty of online guides to help you achieve this. Make sure you get the contract address and wallet address correct. So what do you think of this token? I know there isn't really too much information on the token. But hey, it is a very new token. If you like birds, then this might be the token for you. However, I think they should update their white paper with more information for their investors. The name for the token is also lacking some creativity. Of course, I am not encouraging anyone to purchase this token. Especially one that has hardly any information about it. And one with an unknown market cap, which I would assume is still pretty low. I myself do not hold any of this token. For legal reasons, I need to remind my viewers that I am not a financial advisor. If I were a financial advisor, I would probably be too busy driving racing cars around to meet my clients to have time to make YouTube videos. This is the end of the video. No Wall Street hedge fund manager was harmed in the making of this video. Support me by subscribing and dinging the notification bell. And add me to your Twitter. I make videos on cryptos and trading. Wise Old Sage signing off. Take care.